Hi everyone, we're back for a new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to drive this thing. So what is this exactly? You can call it gyrowheel, you can call it a uniwheel, but this particular model is a ninebot 1E. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys in different steps. First of all, safety first. Wear a helmet. I know I'm not wearing a helmet right now, I forgot it, but when you want to start off by driving this thing, you obviously need to put 1 foot on the wheel. I'm going to show you guys a little trick to know if you're goofy, if you're regular. Now this trick consists that you need someone to be with you, and you need someone that pushes you forward. So I'm going to need someone that pushes me forward while I'm going to close my eyes. Now the first foot to go forward is going to be the foot which I'm going to put the first on the wheel. Now once you've done this step, you know which foot you need to put in first place on the wheel. And I'm going to help myself with a rail, and the first thing you always need to remember, and that's valid also for wakeboarding, for skateboarding, you need to look far away. You can actually put your second feet on the wheel. Alright, now once you've done that, obviously you can just play with it, you know, go forwards, go backwards, just help yourself with the rail. You just go forwards, go backwards, and continue to look forward in front of you very far. Alright, so turn around a little bit and keep on handling yourself. Just keep on handling yourself. Look far away. Look far away, that's the key. Now, once you've done this, you can start to try to avoid to touch the rail. Do this every meter, for instance. So, every meter, I touch the rail. I grip myself. All right. Now you should do this on both sides, and you do it with your right hand. And you do this a couple of times, you know, just to get used to it. Alright, so now once you're a bit more comfortable with it, you can try to not touch the rail. Try to avoid totally the rail. So just go a bit further from the rail, go further. Try to look after stability, and just go for it. Okay, so guys, I really want you to remember two important things. First of all, the secret, the key, is to look far away in front of you. The second thing is, you know, this thing, it can't stay alone by itself. You always need to stay in movement with this thing. If you want stability, you need speed, all right? You need speed. You cannot just stay here. See, I'm falling. I don't have any stability. You just need to go forward and, just go for it. Go for it, that's all. See guys, now you just need to practice. You need to stay in movement, you need to go forward, and that's all you need to do. You just got to do this for a few times, a few minutes, maybe like 5, 10 to 20 minutes, but you just got to go forward and look forward. I'm a bit more familiar with the wheel, so what you can try is try to turn a little bit, you know, try to lean yourself right and left. The key is where you look. See, if you want to turn left, you just got to turn left. You just got to look at the left side. If you want to turn right, look at the right side. It's very scientific. You just got to, see, I'm just leaning my head on the right side, and I'm turning on the right side. Left side, I'm turning on the left side. Right, now, when you want to turn, it depends if you have a high speed, or if you would just want to play around. So imagine you have a high speed. You know, you just want to look around, look on your right side, look on your left side. Everything's going to go by itself. Now imagine you are not going very fast. You just want to play around, you just want to stay in a good position. Well, you're gonna have to play a bit with your knees. See, you're just gonna have bend one knee, then bend the other. But guys, just remember, speed is key. Speed is key. See, now I'm playing on the dangerous part of it. Okay guys, it's 2 p.m. right now. What if I tell you that I started this thing at 10 a.m. this morning? Now just remember, if you want to achieve results, you just gotta practice. You gotta practice, 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 practice. You gotta go for it, you gotta play with it, you gotta drive with it. Just practice, guys. What I mean by practicing is, imagine you guys are in the street, you're just practicing with your monowheel, and you see something a bit unusual. For instance, a hill, a dune, or basically an obstacle. Maybe you should try to pass it. I mean, just go for it. This thing is leaning upwards, so I'm gonna have to add a little bit more pressure on my toes, see? So I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm gonna have to lean more forward. So when I come back, see, this is leaning down now, I need to press a little bit more on the heel of my feet. So now you want to learn how to step on this thing without holding anything. Basically, you're just using your feet. All right, so one method is pretty good for this. So once you've put one of your 2 feet on it, all right, you're gonna lean this thing inside, on the inside. So you're gonna put pressure with your leg on the inside. Once you've done this, just remember that speed is key. All right, speed is key, and you need to look forward. All right, so look forward. Speed is key. So once you put your 2nd feet, you must add pressure on the tip of your toes. Now I'm going to show you it again. See, I put 1 foot on it. I add the other one. Look forward, pressure. Look forward, speed. You want speed. Speed is key.
Right guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, because I did enjoy making it. I hope these tips will help you, or helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, or leave a thumbs up. See you guys later.